Hey everyone, it's Claire here, and today I'm going to be showing you our new AI-powered follow-up questions. You'll be able to dig deeper into participants' responses automatically. Let's take a look. So let's head over and create a study here. I'm going to select a test or a survey, and we're going to name this travel insurance. We're going to have a look at a travel insurance design today. So let me create that one here. All right, we'll head into our study. Today I'm going to do a design survey. Let me just upload my travel insurance design here. You'll see that's uploading. And in the follow-up questions, what I want to ask is, what are your initial impressions of this design? I'm going to make that a long text required response. And you'll see here the Ask AI for follow-up questions. I'm going to toggle that on. It's part of our labs features. And you can ask up to 3 questions. The AI is smart enough that it will know whether or not to ask the questions. If there's enough information that's been provided already, it'll skip it. It won't ask them. But if it's too light and it feels like it hasn't adequately answered the question, it'll prompt with additional questions up to a maximum of 3. I've actually just set this at 2 for myself now, so we'll just leave that at 2. And I want to ask an additional question. I want to know what, if anything, is confusing or unclear here. So I'm going to make that a long text as well. It's required, and I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to ask 2 follow-up questions with AI here if there's not enough information. So that's it. I've got that all set up. I'm going to save and continue here. And what I'll do is I will go and recruit my participants, and I will come back and show you the results. Okay, now the test is complete. Let's take a look. So I've got my 5 responses. I'm going to head over to the results section here, and I'm going to come down and take a look. So here you can see the design and the follow-up questions. So if we have a look at the first one, someone had written, "It makes one feel safe and assured." The AI has stepped in here with a follow-up question. Can you tell me more about how the design makes you feel safe and assured? And it's prompted for some additional information. The next person has just said welcoming, informative and friendly. And you can see there it's asked 2 questions to follow up and dig a little bit deeper. This third response here, they had actually done a really good job of making quite a detailed response. And so the AI hasn't actually stepped in there. And you'll see the last one here, great design. And AI has prompted what makes it a great design, what aspects give you peace of mind. You can also see here that we have this option to summarize the AI follow-up responses. And what that will do, it'll just consolidate the different question and the answer responses there into one complete response. You don't have to go through all the questions, but you can toggle that off if you'd prefer to see the questions that are followed up with. And that's it. Same situation with the second question here. It helps you dig a little deeper when maybe people have been a little bit light on with their responses to get the most out of your studies. AI follow-up questions are available now in Lyssna. Feel free to jump into your account and try it out for yourself. Thanks.